Can you shotgun just the steps going from to get a new product? So you've already product tested. You've seen that the product worked. Where do you go? AliExpress, and then just kind of
Yeah.
go down a 3 or 4 step
Okay, so you've done a little bit
process.
of research. You have spy software that you can buy that shows you what ads are trending. Or you, like me, you buy stuff and you just see what's coming on your news feed. You look and you're like, oh my gosh, that thing was on only one day and it's got 20 likes and 40 comments. I'm commenting on this ad. And when I comment on an ad, that means I get every time someone comments, I see more. And if that keeps like going like that with twice as many comments as likes, as twice as many shares as comments, I'm on it. Go to AliExpress. I type in the name. AliExpress has the most ridiculous search engine in the world. So you have to be really funky with, what you write. It's not like Google. It's not like whatever those Boolean, whatever you call that thing. It is hard to, but then you find it. And then you see what the shipping time is. And then you see what the shipping cost is. And then you say, oh, I can get this for $2. It's going to cost me $3.15 though, because of what's going on, to get it to the US in a timely manner. So I got a $5.15 product. I don't even call the supplier at that point. I put it up on my thing. And if I get a sale, I do it from the best supplier I can find on Ali that has the highest ranking and the cheapest price. Once that happens, I start calling around to some agents in China that do drop shipping. And I'm like, how much can you get for me? And I'll even go a little higher if they're willing to get something for me, because I know it's more stable for that. So that's it. And literally I press a button. It's all automated. What happens is the automation throws all the customer's information to the guy in China. The guy in China gets it, charges my credit card, $5, sends it directly to the customer. I never see it. I never touch it. I don't
No
know what you mean by
inventory.
software. If you're talking about spy software, I'm kind of leaning towards Sell the Trend right now. It's called Sell the Trend, but there's ads